Heavy rain, gusty winds from an October nor'easter overnight, a lesser version of that as we go through the day today. If you're headed out on the morning commute, factor in a lot of extra time early this morning with a lot of leaves that have fallen off the trees, making the road slippery, some fallen branches in spots. We'll continue to keep you updated on the road conditions during the morning commute on Channel 9 as well as here on WMUR.com. You will notice the heaviest of the rainfall now continuing to shift northward up into the North Country. Some spots over 2 inches of rain and not done yet. As we go through the day today, as I mentioned, lesser version of what we had during the evening and overnight hours in the way of some areas of showers, as well as the wind, which right now has been out of the east and northeast, gusting at times over 50 miles an hour, will eventually turn to a westerly direction and gust at times over 30 miles an hour as we go through the afternoon. All the while with those pockets of showers out there and a little bit of a break in the highest of the winds. We'll look for temperatures to hover around in the 40s to lower range of the 50s before mostly cloudy skies take hold with a pretty good breeze out of the northwest tonight at 10 to 20 plus miles an hour, with lows dropping back from the upper 30s to mid 40s. Cool and breezy day with partial sunshine south of the White Mountains as we go through the afternoon Friday. Temperatures in the afternoon will be in the 40s to lower range of the 50s. And then after lows in the 30s Friday evening with fair skies. Pretty nice weekend on the way. Mostly sunny skies for the day on Saturday and then partly sunny skies on Sunday. Temperatures will be right around 60 Saturday, while we'll be in the low and mid 60s on Sunday. You'll notice the system passing to our south Sunday afternoon. Again, partly sunny skies for Sunday. And then we'll go right back to sunshine Monday before the next system slowly arrives. Looks like it'll be an increase in clouds with some afternoon showers Tuesday. Some rain Tuesday night. Could be another quick inch or two of rain with at least less wind. And then we'll go from there to partial sunshine Thursday and Friday. We do have a high wind warning until 11 o'clock this morning for the coastline, as well as wind advisories for the southern half of the state through 11 a.m. We also have several flood advisories and a couple of flood warnings for southern parts of the state. So you want to check that while you're here at WMUR.com. You can see the winds turn to the northwest later this afternoon. Those will be noticeable through tomorrow before lightening up, setting up what should be a decent weekend. Temperatures this afternoon in the low and mid 50s, upper 30s to mid 40s tonight. There's a look at your 7-day forecast, which has temperatures climbing back into the 60s for the first portion of next week before the next front arrives later Tuesday.